Welcome back. Okay, today we're jumping straight into some pretty specific updates on the Beamable network.
Yep, BNB Network, we've got some intel from a YouTube source that's been tracking their token launch quite closely.
And it's a bit complicated, isn't it? Multiple dates, different kinds of events, and a really strong warning we need to talk about.
Right, so our mission today is basically to cut through that noise. We need to clarify what's happening with Beamable, nail down the ticker, the sequence of events.
TGE, timeline, and all that.
Exactly, and
Okay.
crucially, figure out why this source is telling people to be so careful about the token sale.
Okay, let's unpack it. So the project is Beamable Network. It's built on Solana, and the ticker they've announced is BMBB, which I guess is a little different from just Beamable, but
It's
okay.
PV.
But the real head scratcher is this launch sequence. You've got a Genesis launch, then a pre-sale, and then the TGE, a token generation event, all crammed into about a week.
It's definitely a tight schedule. Let's take the first one. The source says this Genesis launch happens November 6th,
Okay, November 6th.
and they're doing it with Metaplex Genesis. So Metaplex is kind of the launchpad partner here.
Right, so that means this initial sale isn't like a wide public thing. It's happening through Metaplex.
Seems that way. It's more of a curated initial sale.
And the source even mentions, like, there's a form you need to fill out if you wanted to buy tokens then.
Yeah, they detail how to potentially participate, but then
Yeah, but then, this is the key part. The source explicitly says, and I'm quoting here, don't participate at all.
right, strong advice, don't do it.
So why? Why give the details and then say avoid it?
Well, the source connects it back to the market conditions, saying they're not that good. But more than that, it's about the structure.
The structure of launch.
Yeah. The argument is that having this kind of early high-risk Genesis sale on the 6th, right before a pre-sale and the main TGE, well, it raises flags.
What kind of flags?
The concern is that it feels like a way to just grab liquidity early. The source uses pretty blunt language, saying this is how projects only loot the users.
Yeah. Loot the users. Okay, that's direct. So the multi-stage launch itself is seen as a potential problem.
Basically, yes. Especially when market sentiment is shaky. Stacking sales like this feels opportunistic, according to the source.
Yeah.
Too much risk for regular users.
Okay, that's a critical warning then. The structure is the first big thing to watch. So let's say someone listens to that warning. They skip the November 6th event. What happens next?
Okay, moving on. November 11th is the next key date. Two things happen then.
Right.
First, there's a snapshot for NFT holders.
Yeah.
You know, it's standard practice to determine eligibility for maybe airdrops or other perks.
And the second thing?
That's the BMBB pre-sale launch. So a different sale event. And they give a specific time,
Yeah.
14.00 UTC on November 11th.
Got it.
That's
So
all.
Nov 6th was Genesis sale. Warning parent avoided. Nov 11th is NFT snapshot and pre-sale starts.
Correct. And then it wraps up very quickly after that.
The very next day, right?
You know, back November 12th is when two more things happen. The pre-sale claim.
So people who bought in the pre-sale on the 11th can get their tokens?
Yep. And
Okay.
crucially, November 12th is also the TGE, the official token generation event. That's when the BMBB token actually, comes into existence on the blockchain and likely hits exchanges.
So let's just quickly recap that sequence for everyone listening. Novellum 6th is the early Genesis sale via Metaplex, the one the source warns against. Nov 11th is the NFT snapshot and the start of the presale at 14.00 UTC. And Nov 11th is the presale claim and the actual TGE.
That's the timeline laid out.
Okay. So connecting this back, understanding this kind of sequence, the difference between an early, maybe high-risk sale like that Genesis one versus the official TGE, that seems really important for filtering out hype, doesn't it?
Absolutely essential. You see these multi-stage launches, and you have to ask, why the complexity? Is it genuinely needed? Or is it, like the source suggests, more about maximizing cash flow before the token truly hits the open market?
Yeah. Is it about building a community or just building a war chest?
Right. That early sale, the Genesis one, could feel like you're getting in early, but the source warning implies you might just be providing exit liquidity for insiders before the real market price discovery happens at TGE.
So thinking about that really strong warning from the source, the loot the users comment, the risk, the final thought for you, the listener, has to be about applying that critical filter. When you see a launch plan that looks this layered, this complex, especially with warnings attached, you have to ask yourself, like the source implies, Is this structure designed for my benefit as a potential holder, or is it maybe optimized for the project's short-term gain in a risky market?
Yeah, is it an opportunity you should run towards or maybe one you should run away from? Something definitely worth mulling over next time you see one of these complex multi-stage rollouts.